Welcome back to my channel, beauties. My name is Alicia if it's your first time here. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing. I'm super excited about this little item, so if you want to see what I got, then of course, stay tuned. This is the packaging that it comes in. Nothing special, nothing crazy, but it's packaged, so let's go ahead and open this. Let's see. And I didn't open it yet, guys, so it's my first time seeing it here with you. This is the cutest little wallet. Here it is. Oh my gosh, it is just so cute. So this is the Coach mini wallet on a chain with linear quilting and the color pink, of course. It is so gorgeous. It just looks so cute. So it's literally the world's smallest little wallet. This was calling my name just because of the quilting, and then of course it's pink. It's just super cute. So yeah, I fell in love with it. I just saw that color and I was just like, yes, this is so cute. So right here it comes with a chain. I'm just gonna open it up to show you guys. I like how well they wrapped it. And here we have the chain. I'm going to go ahead and just attach it. So it's so cute. It's literally just, like it says, a wallet on a chain in case you want to wear it as a crossbody or just put it over your shoulder. You need to run out real quick, but you need your cards and some lip gloss maybe, then this is the way to go. Let's just take out the packaging inside so you can see. It has all the little tags and everything inside there. There's two slots there for cards, and then the bigger compartment. And then on the back, we have another slot to put a card in. So it's just, for me, it's perfect. I stopped wearing big wallets. I do like just a little card holder. And this is just going to be perfect if I just want to run out real quick. You can get this in a few different colors, so definitely check out the website to see what you're looking for. But this one was just calling my name. So and I also got this wallet. It was on sale on the Coach outlet site, so that's why I picked it up as well. So I think it was 50% off, so you can definitely check and see. I'll leave the link for it in the description box in case you want to check it out and see for yourself. If it's on sale, just go ahead and snag it. So 4 inches lengthwise, 3 inches height, and then 1 inch width. So it is small, but we're gonna go ahead and see what I can fit in here. As I said, it has 2 card slots, so I'm just gonna put my cards in here. So my lip gloss will be too big, so I'm just gonna use this chapstick. I also have this liquid lipstick, so I'm going to try and put that in there as well. And so far, so good. So we're going to add this lip liner as well. We have our cards, a chapstick, a liquid lipstick, and a lip liner. Not bad. Fits perfectly in there. Let's just say I wanted to add this MAC lipstick. And then maybe the chapstick. So as you can see, that fits perfectly, not too snug. For a wallet, it definitely does fit a good amount of products, so I'm definitely not complaining, and I'm actually excited to use this. So I have this chain that I bought from Amazon. It has a lot more weight to it. This is more chunky in comparison to this one, so you could totally switch it out. If you wanted to give it a different look, it looks with the chunkier chain. I like this as well. And like I said, this just feels a lot better anyways. So far, I'm actually really liking this. I'm happy that I purchased this. Let me know how you feel about this down below. Of course, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.